dimensional variation analysis model is a simulation of an assembly to predict the amount of variation resulting from piece part tolerances and process sequence. In addition, a variation analysis simulation helps to determine the key contributors to that variation. 3DCS is a dimensional analysis tool for performing variation analysis simulations. It works by replicating the build process with deviated parts in a virtual environment. The deviations come from tolerances randomly varied within specified ranges and distributions. 3DCS simulates building thousands of assemblies to generate a statistical output for each measurement. The software analyzes every tolerance's contribution to variation. The simulation results provide critical insight to identify strengths and weaknesses of a design. This insight is essential for revisions that drive improvement in your results with greater consistency.